Hello, welcome back to
Curfew Cocktails.
Woohoo. What are we making today?
Today we are making a lemongrass mojito.
I love mojitos. Mojitos are my favourite. Now, what are you putting in there?
So we thought we'd kick this off with some really nice rum. When you're making mojito, you do need to use your favourite white rum. So we're using the Mojito white rum. It's from Cuba. So beautiful white rum, has natural flavours of sort of vanilla and toasted coconut.
Oh, delicious.
So we've got 2 shots of rum.
And then what have you got here?
Now this is just a very simple lemongrass syrup, just simple syrup.
A lemongrass syrup. Ooh, what sort of flavour is this? Sort of like really citrusy, grassy.
Citrusy, grassy.
Kind of in the name, really.
Yeah. And then 3/4 of a shot of fresh lime juice
In there.
in there. Easy peasy.
And you've got ice in there.
Lots of ice.
Woohoo.
And along with all of this, we've got about 5 to 10 mint leaves.
Give it a good shake. Yum.
Pardon me, it doesn't always go to plan. That's okay.
It's a hot day. You've got to cool down somehow.
Indeed.
Beautiful. Oh, nice and minty. Delicious. And you've got the glasses here ready with lots of ice as well.
Lots and lots of ice. It's very traditional that when you make a mojito, you have as
More
much
the
ice
better.
as possible.
Fantastic. And I guess that lemongrass really, it's a bit of orange. Orange? Yellow.
It does it indeed. And then you just, pretty simple, top it off with some fresh soda.
Oh, simple as that.
And we thought, nice warm weather, nice refreshing drink. Simple as that.
I was very excited when Lex said we were making mojitos.
Well, we were trying to decide what cocktail to make, and Eva had mentioned that mojitos are one of her favourites.
Favourites.
So it seemed absolutely appropriate for the start of spring.
Oh, beautiful.
There you go.
Oh,
Cheers.
Cheers.